You're driving? We're going to New York City today. Still freaking cold. We're taking the road today. We're going to New York City. I'll catch you guys when I get there. So many things to talk about today and show you guys. New York, here we go. Freaking snow. Okay boys, welcome to New York. There's a big reason why I'm in New York, and I cannot wait to share with you guys because that's really related to the channel. But I also, every time I need to come to New York. Oh, it's so bright. So that meeting is gonna change completely the way I do stuff, but I unfortunately cannot share with you guys right now, but soon. So let's walk a little bit for New York and see. Catch you guys later because I'm late as always.
3 hours later.
Alright, I just realized I didn't say anything to you guys. What are we doing today? And I have a big decision to make regards to the truck. I normally buy like parts, but now I'm at the point that I cannot afford buying the 2 things I want. I need to make that decision today because I want to get that before Christmas. Alright? But we need to get something to eat. Look who I found there. You always come here?
It's really cold, right?
It's pretty cold. Don't tell them where we are going.
I'm excited.
I gotta say though, if you wanna come to New York in December, it's pretty cold, but it's nice. The Christmas
spirit.
The spirit, environment, whatever you wanna call it, it's everywhere. It's so nice. Probably if you live in California, a little different for you guys, but you gotta come. New York is special.
8:01 p.m.
Boys, I didn't catch up with you guys. The main topic with this video, right? Which is basically, I'm trying to convince my wife to let me buy car parts. So I'm waiting for her. We're gonna have Starbucks. And then we'll see. So that's what I normally do. Like every time I need to buy something, I talk with her because, again, I told you guys I want to provide more information about how I handle things. And we have everything together, so it's never just by myself doing stuff, you know what I'm saying? It's always with her. So she needs to give me approval. I'm gonna record a link conversation. So you guys, fingers crossed. I know it's almost broke. How are you?
Good, how are you?
You ready for some coffee? And then I need to talk to you because you are the main piece of this vlog.
Oh my god.
Yeah.
Okay.
So let's get some coffee.
This time.
Thank you. No problem.
You should have asked for the cab.
What?
Because you're not gonna sleep. Are
It's
you?
okay. Are you happy with your drink? That's what matters. Can we talk? I need to buy car parts. Truck parts. I need to buy 2. But because it's Christmas, I think I can get a discount.
I like that. I like that.
But I'm not buying both. So I've talked with the guy, so we're trying to get a deal so I can buy with a discount. Better than he had on Cyber Monday. I mean, I wanna hear your approval or not. Because my guys are right there watching, waiting for their approval so we can get that installed. You see how's the conversation? It's always like this, boys. It's not just because I'm vlogging, right? It's always like this, right?
Think about it.
Okay, so she has to think about it. That's how it normally goes. So we're going home.
But wait a minute, is this something that you really want?
I really want, I want so bad.
Need it?
Do I need it? What do you mean I need it?
Want and need are 2 different things.
Well, let me put that way. The truck always needs parts. Doesn't matter what. That's why I'm saying, like, do I need it? What do you guys think? Do I need it? Yes, I do. She's gonna think about it. I know that, okay. Trust me. I have been married for 6 years. So I know that, okay. And then when we get back home, we're gonna get the final word from her. Sounds good? How is your drink?
It's the
What is it?
creme brulee.
Creme brulee.
Creme brulee.
So that's what I normally do. I take her out for a coffee or dinner and ask her for car parts. I hope she approves it.
12 o'clock midnight.
Yeah, we are back at home. I know today was a completely different day. I had to go to New York for many different reasons. So anyway, this was how I normally deal with budget and truck and car modifications with my wife. The YouTube doesn't provide to pay for all all the things I do on the cars. So I gotta be really smart with my money, and I gotta figure out when it's time for something, when it's not. So I normally plan ahead of time. So this mod, for example, I was thinking about to do probably I started thinking 3 months ago, and then I start talking with my wife and we look at the budget and see what we can afford or not. That's normally how we do. But I don't treat YouTube as a business. Like when I invest money on my cars, I invest because I like it. But I should treat it as a business. So I should focus on where, give me more return, and that's where I should put the money on. But I really like to have a nice truck that, make me happy when I drive. I just want to share with you guys a little bit how I normally do stuff. We're gonna see more things like this here on the channel. I hope you guys enjoyed the day in New York. I will see you tomorrow with one more vlog. Exciting things coming. So stay tuned for that. As always, never forget, enjoy your life.